Hey everyone, you ever sit back and wonder why football or soccer for my American friends is such a big deal globally? Well, you're seriously in the right place, because today we're going to break down why this game is like the world's favorite sport. Seriously, you don't want to miss this. Okay, so first up, let's chat about the simplicity of the game. I mean, think about it. You just need a ball and like some open space. That's it. You could even use a candy if you don't have a ball. Remember those childhood days playing in the streets or backyards? Exactly. Super easy to get into, and the rules, man, they're straightforward enough for even a kid to understand. Next, let's talk about the money factor, or rather, how you don't need a lot of it. You don't need to invest in some pricey gear or pay for some fancy venue. Literally, just a ball, maybe some makeshift goalposts, and you're all set. This is especially important in places where resources might be limited, you know? Now let's move on to the social vibe of football. This sport is super inclusive, okay? It doesn't matter your age, your gender, your skill level, anybody can join in. Remember schoolyard pickup games or those community matches at the local park? It's a fantastic way to make friends and build some serious community ties. All right, switching gears a bit, let's talk about the pure thrill and, oh man, the unpredictability of the game. You know those last-minute goals or the insane saves by the goalkeeper? Yeah, it gets your adrenaline pumping, right? Keeps you guessing till the last whistle, not just for us watching, but for the players too. Coming up next, let's get into how football is basically a universal language. I mean, from Brazil to Japan, people are kicking balls into nets. You could drop into pretty much any country and find someone who's down for a quick game. It's like a handshake that everyone understands, cutting across languages and cultures. And hey, you know who's super into watching football? According to this Nielsen report from 2018, places like the United Arab Emirates, Thailand, and Chile have some die-hard fans. Oh, and Europe's Big Five football markets? Yeah, they're huge too, not to mention Russia, which saw a big uptick after hosting the World Cup in 2018. Okay, a quick history lesson here. Modern football got its start in Britain in the 19th century. Fast forward, and you've got folks like Ebenezer Cobb Morley, who jotted down the first rules, and Jules Rimet, who kickstarted the World Cup. These guys helped make football the global phenomenon it is today. And get this, the love for the sport varies by region. Like in Europe, it's all about culture and deep-rooted tradition, while in places like South America and Africa, it's seen as a way to rise up the social ladder. Last but definitely not least, let's talk major football events. You've got the FIFA World Cup, which is like the Super Bowl, the Olympics, and New Year's Eve all rolled into one. Then there's the UEFA European Championship, the Copa America, and so many more. These events are like fuel for the football fire, catching the attention of billions. So, wrapping this all up, football wins the popularity contest because it's easy to get into, won't break the bank, super social, ridiculously exciting, and globally loved. It's way more than just a game, folks. It's a force that's pulling people together all around the world. All right, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you dug this video, go ahead and smash that like button, maybe drop a comment below, and hey, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you next time.